Here we are in Waco, Texas, in Cameron Park, the Brazos River to the right. I'm going to drive to the pinnacle of Lover's Leap. I'm doing this one-handed, camera in one hand, steering wheel in the other. So here we go, in the 53 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe. Still Cadillacing in fourth gear. Haven't had to do a downshift yet. No, I take it back. I was in third gear. Now we're going down the Seven Sisters. Pray we don't have a head-on collision. Boy, that would really be a mess. Now we're going up again. Man, got a good downshift. Boy, I tell you, this dual range hydromatic, I think it's really going to go over. People are really going to buy this thing. Thank you for turning, slowpoke. There's Emmons Cliff. I take it back. These are the Seven Sisters that we're going down now. Now the final assault to Lover's Leap. Shifted into fourth. I believe this baby's going to make it. We crested at Lover's Leap. And guess what? It's closed off, but that's okay. We made it. This was the, I don't know how many 100 acres property of the William Cameron family. They deeded it to the city in perpetuity in 1915, and everybody's enjoyed it since. But anyway, that's the end of this video.